Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by prepping the skin and taking 2 immediate, safe actions. First, cleanse with a gentle pH-balanced cleanser to remove oil and debris. This lets active home remedies penetrate. Second, perform a 24-hour patch test with 1/2 lemon mixed into 1 tsp honey to check sensitivity. Once done, pat skin dry and apply a lightweight moisturizer. Make sure to follow with sunscreen SPF 30+ whenever you step outside. This prevents new darkening and lets your treatments work. Next, focus on consistent, active brightening. Begin gradually. Apply a low-strength kojic or azelaic acid product, 1%, 2%, or 3%, 5% at night, every other day to monitor tolerance. This reduces pigment over time. Once tolerated, increase frequency to nightly. Meanwhile, exfoliate gently 1-2 times weekly with a 5% AHA or a soft physical scrub to slough dead cells. This improves tone. In the morning, add a 10% vitamin C serum before sunscreen to protect and enhance brightness. To finish, lock in habits and monitor progress reliably. Continue the routine for 6-12 weeks. Skin cell turnover is slow, so expect gradual lightening rather than overnight change. If irritation or redness appears, stop strong actives immediately, apply soothing aloe or colloidal oatmeal, and resume at a lower concentration or less frequency once calm. If you see persistent darkening, intense burning, or no improvement after 3 months, consult a dermatologist. Professional care prevents scarring and finds stronger, safer options.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.